Bills of Right. Section 1. No person shall be deprived of life, liberty, or property without due process of law, nor shall any person to deny the equal protection of the law. Section 2. The right of the people to be secure in their persons, houses, papers, and effect against unreasonable searches, and censure of whatever nature and for any purposes shall inviolable, and no such warrant or warrant of arrest shall issue except upon probably cause to the determined personality by the judge after examination under oath or affirmation of the complainant and the witnesses he may produce, and particularly describing that place to be searched and person or things visited. Section 3. Privacy of communication and correspondence shall be inviolable except upon lawful order of the court or when public safety or order equals otherwise as prescribed by law. Any evidences obtained. Section 4. Any evidences obtained in violation of this of the preceding section shall be admissible of any purposes, any section. No law shall be passed abrogating the freedom of speech, of expression, of the press, of the right of the people, peaceably to assembly and petition to the government for redress. Section 5. No law shall be made respecting an establishment of religion or prohibiting the free exercise theory, the exercise and enjoyment of religious professions forever be allowed. No religious test shall be required to exercise civil or political rights. Section 6. The liberty of abandon and charging the same within the limits of prescribed by law shall not impaired except upon lawful order of the court, neither shall be right to travel impaired except the interest of national security, public safety, of public health, as may be provided by law. Section 7. The right of the recognized access to official records and documents and papers pertaining to officials' acts transaction for decisions as well as government research. Section 8. The right of people, including those employed in the public of people, including those employment the public of sectors to the owners association. Section 9. Private property shall not taken for public use without compensation. Section 10. No law impairing the obligation of contract shall be passed. Section 11. Free access to the court and false judicial bodies and adequate legal assistance shall not be denied to any person. Section 12. Any person under investigation for the commission of an offense shall have the right to be informed, to the right to remain silent, and to have compliant and independent counsel, preferably of his own choice. Section 13. All person except the charged with offenses punishes by replenishment evidences gates strong that shall be convinced with the shall obtain his right of the shall in part even when the privilege of this. Section 14. No person shall be held to answer for the criminal offense without due process of law. Section 15. The privilege of the writ of habeas corpus shall not suspended except in the cases of innovation or rebellion when the public safety requires it. Section 16. All persons shall have the right as speedy disposition of their cases before a judicial, quick judicial, or administrative bodies. Section 17. No person shall be complied to be a witness against himself. Section 18. No person has been detained socially by a reason of his political beliefs and aspiration. Section 19. Excesses, fines shall not impose no cruel, discarding, or human punishment inflicted, neither shall their death penalty be exposed unless for complaining reasons. Section 20. No person shall be imprisoned for debt and non-payment of fault. And the last one, Section 21. No person shall twice end punishment for the same offense. And the last one, Section 22. No ex post facto law or appeal attainder shall be infected. Thank you.